So, I was playing a bit of a game. Oh, how's there, sir? Oh, after me. Oh, let's act like we're new. Maybe they leave us alone. Maybe the people. No, I'm not acting like a noob. So I'll leave us alone. Okay. I better. You're the worst noob ever. You're the best noob, actually. Well, we're kind of the worst because we don't know how to act like a noob. But okay. Ooh, I'll save it for a taste tube. Actually, a couple of days ago, I opened it on real nice from the case of 5, was it? I'm gonna use my mountain too. Try Bobby, because everyone loves Bobby. Yeah. Everyone never knew. Oh my gosh! Wait, what? I did not see. Apparently, there are a lot of people up front, but I'm just acting like a noob. Oh, I got nothing. We're just gonna play a bit. Oh, thanks. That guy was trying to go for him and he didn't even have to. Like, that's when you know that the... Ah! See, girl. Trying to act like they're all good and everything. But in reality, they're not very good. Oh, look at this camperly. I'm just gonna look at that. Oh, no! Oh. Hello, Sister Blues. Sister Blues has these two guys. I want the Pumpkin King, but I'm not trading. Trade them. Oh man. I don't know what Pumpkin King is worth. Okay. I'm not gonna. That was way better. I'm actually gonna do weird. So now, it'd be beautiful in the sky. There's that dude that killed me last round. Oh, this dude is. Oh, idiot. Oh. Where'd they go? The shopper's shopping for drugs. Oh! Oh. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh! It's the bounce. I'm literally hitting. Oh. Yes! I win! So guys, real quick, this is not sponsored ad. Also, yeah, I'm just gonna be playing some of this game. Oh, that's rare. Let's play some Snowball. What? What's Snowball? I don't even have to go out of those maps. Let's see what these people have to. Woo! Woo! Just have to buy an inventory. Nope, that was her. I have to do some nice thing. What is that sound? What is that ear-piercing sound I hear? Oh! I think they found me out. I think they know that I'm not the best. I think they know that I'm the best player on the server. They're camping up in the house. I'm just gonna. That's a fine kill there. I know they are. It's not like they're hidden or anything. What this guy want to do? All these exotics are killed. Yeah, we get it. There's a code for poke. I saw it. This guy's only got tier 1 exotics. Very good. Look at this. Tier 1 in crypto. Zero. Candy Blades, not really tier 1. Actually, there is tier 1. I think. Oh well. Well, I have evolved! Frostbite check. I have evolved. I won with it soon. Oh my gosh. It's the almost camper noob. Oh! Oh wow. They suck at camping. Am I starting to sound like Albert stuff? Oh. Oh hey. It's the noob. Ugh. Oh. I'm Albert stuff now. No, just kidding. Albert stuff is cool though. Can't believe this is a camper noob. Oh my gosh. I think I know their secrets. What? Oh, hi there. Oh! Oh, you want unicorn? That's good for you. You want unicorn? Well, go get it yourself. Mr. Mitch is cool. They have still nothing. Give me a unicorn. He doesn't have unicorn, you idiot. Just kidding. We do not call people idiots on the show. And I'm like, Mr. Mitch, cool. Oh, gilded. Could use it. The worst exotic. Well, in my opinion. I'm still the best. Oh, it's Julio! Julio! I'm gonna come out this area. Oh my gosh! How did you die there? Ah! Oh no! Oh, I died. Why would this game do this to me? Hey, it's Chopper. I like your unicorn. Let's see if I can hit them. Chopper. Chopper. I'll trade you these things. I knew it. Yeah, no. Not get it. We have quite a few exotics. I mean, give them Doombringer. No, I can't give them to Bobby. I think it's time to bring out the big guns. Is there? Like, that's not the big guns. Oh, this is so. Full zero bundle. It's out here, Dave. Can't believe I named that as Dave. Oh yeah, I had a Dave before. But then I traded it to my friend for the thing, and then I sold it to the thing. And then I got another thing, and this Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh, that would have been a crazy shot, though. Okay. Oh, haha! Ah! Whoa! This has been an unexpected video. Can I get it now? No, I'm going AFK. No! Hey, Kubuli. Oh. Ooh. I made him fail. I literally made him fail it. Wow. He doesn't even understand the parkour. That is pretty funny, if I do say so myself. Oh, hey. This person needs Incredible diamonds. The ring of Prayer Town, I will show you. Well, I think competitive ending soon. I'm getting the axe because I have 1,030. I'm also getting the other achievements. Probably gonna buy. With all the money I'm probably gonna get, probably save up with that money I'm getting from the competitive mode for 500 kills. Probably gonna get darkness. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get darkness. Because I spent a lot of its acts on dual wield, which is pretty dumb on my part. Oh yeah, I still have to win on Castle Keep. Oh hey. It's Julio. I think this guy likes dodgeball or something. Let me check my recording. I still got a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Hello there, sir. Would you like to buy some drugs? I'm just kidding. That's not allowed an assassin. I bet this guy's asking his mom for some Robux so he can get himself the new exotic or something. Asking his mom for Robux or maybe buying some Robux with his own money. Or asking his mom so he can buy the Zero bundle, the fantasy bundle, and he can get a bunch of coins. Well, that's fine. Okay. Julio, wanna buy some of my exotics? Just kidding. What? Hello. Hello. I like cheese. I like cheese. Wait, no, let me say cheese. Cheese is good. It's a good. I'm dying. I said it wrong. I said it wrong. Julio. I'm incredible. Oh! These plebeians are trying to kill me. Well, listen, pleb. Where's the camper? Is there a camera in the server? Oh.